Hello, crafty friends. Today I want to share with you guys this explosion box that I have done, and it's for a baby. Uh, I made this for a friend at work. We're gonna do a surprise baby shower for her, but meanwhile, I made this explosion box so she'll think that this is the only thing she's gonna get from us at work. And again, like the one that I did previous, everyone at work is gonna sign on the blank pages or like the squares, and I use a border punch in the pink one, and that's the inside, and that's the little baby. And I use the DCWV, the preppy princess stack, and I'll be doing like a series of how I'm planning on using this paper pad on baby shower decorations, a banner, uh, some party favors, table centers, and including a mini album for her. But this is the beginning, and as you can see, I didn't use much of the paper there. I just used that. And that baby, I got it at my local dollar store, and those are recollection stickers. And right there, I already um, wish her good luck. And yeah, and the box, I bought it at Dollar Tree, and I just alter it because for me it's easier instead of just making the whole box. And I have a little process video of how I decorated and alter the box if you guys want to stay tuned for that. But yeah, that's it, and that's the beginning of the baby shower series. So hope you guys like it because I really love it, and let me know what you guys think. Bye.